All right, guys, so before we get into this video, the key tags are now in stock, ready to ship along with the decals. Here's the key tags we got. SF on one side, hashtag stay focused on the other, and then this one is SF, and then basically this one on the other side right here. Passion driven, vision focused. So they are available up on the website, ready to go. Link is in the description, go check them out. Hats will be up this week. T-shirts are already on the website. We're waiting for all the t-shirts to arrive here to the house so I can start shipping them out. So pre-orders on hats and t-shirts right now. All of this stuff is ready to go though, so go check it out. We got rock lights. These ones are made by Infinite Off-Road. I actually have these exact rock lights on my boat. Actually, not the rock lights. I actually have these on my boat. Infinite Off-Road. This is like a 4-foot strip, full RGBW, unbelievably bright. I don't know if there's anyone out there that's brighter. So these are gonna go on the Duramax, but I wanna say thank you to Infinite Off-Road. I also wanna say thank you to Einstein Auto Lighting. This is their set of rock lights, unbelievably bright. They're very, very similar. I'm not gonna say who's better, who's worse. Not gonna go wrong with either one of these brands. I'll be honest right now. Of course, they have a 25-year warranty, like no questions asked. So that's hard to argue with. The ones I have on the Duramax currently, they're Mick Tuning. I'm not gonna knock them in any way. They've been great with the channel. I love Mick Tuning. But they're cheap rock lights, and they don't claim to be the best. They're $50, so you can't expect a $50 rock light to outperform one of these higher end ones. Anyway, I'm gonna be taking these ones off, and because I got brand new ones right there. The company sent me two sets accidentally, and I messaged them back, and they said, "Don't worry about it." So I have that extra set. Take the new set, and I'm gonna pre-drill and get the Infinite Off-Road ones all set up in place before I put them back on the truck. So I'll just pull this whole thing out. Up here, I actually have one Mick Tuning one up here, and that one's actually just 3M'd right to there. All right, guys, we got these bolted up, ready to go on this one. Now I just got to do the exact same thing on the other ones, which should be pretty easy. Big shout out to SP Tools, once again, SP Tools USA. Making this job way easier. This is their drill bit set they have. I mean, they have all kinds of stuff. I have a lot of their tools, but I mean, what I had doesn't even scratch the surface of how much they offer. Here's just a 5-piece little burst set. So I just kind of knock down the rough edges of these holes. And yeah, nice little set right here. I still gotta tighten down all the screws and everything, and we are good to go. All right, guys, so what I'm doing right now, I'm gonna be taking off the old wheel well liners, and I'm gonna be putting the brand new ones in. These ones are mint condition, like mint. If you guys want these, hit me up, make me an offer if you're local. I'm not gonna ship them, but if you're local to Panama City, hit me up. I'll sell these to you, and you can have the rock lights with them, the Mick Tuning ones. If you guys are looking into getting into working on your own vehicles at home or whatever, even look into them before you buy Snap-on or Matco or Mac or whatever. You guys are on par with all those, if not better. I absolutely love them, and I wouldn't tell you guys that if I didn't truly love their products. So on with the video. Pulling this thing off, got a couple more screws, and throwing the new ones in. Running into a snag up front. So on the Duramax, each wheel well up front is completely different. So if you may put a rock light a little bit forward in the passenger side, there's not gonna be that exact spot on the driver's side, okay? So my idea is, I'm about to order some bar magnets, little small ones, with adhesive on the other side. So I'll stick that adhesive to the rock light, and that way I'll be able to adjust where I can put the rock light up there. I kind of want the light to be symmetrical, so I'll be able to adjust, you know, the light, the way the light looks. So I'll be able to just kind of move them, and they'll be strong enough magnets where if the truck, you know, takes a hard hit or a hard bump, they'll stay in place. Change of plans, guys. This is how the magnets showed up today from Amazon. Nothing in there. It must have flew out of the bag during shipping. So that's fun. Now I gotta figure something else out. Of course, I wait till it's dark again. I've been on a car show all day today and working on a motorhome. I kind of like working at night just because first, it's not as hot, and second, it's not as hot either. And we got light right here, so. Okay. Now, I know you guys seen the reverse lights, super bright, by the way. This is gonna be the hard part. Not really that hard, but it's gonna be tedious, I guess you could say. I got to find I gotta find a good spots to tuck wires up out of the way. 4 rock lights in the back, and by the way, I found 1 foot strips. So the Infinite Off-Road kit had 1 foot strips with it. So I'm gonna be using the 1 foot strips in the back instead of the 1 rock light. 1 foot strips, front and back. I'm gonna be looking at the rear differential and the front differential. And then that leaves me with 2 extra rock lights, and then obviously 2 4 foot strips. So also guys, by the way, I just did this challenge like, it was Halloween. This 1 chip challenge, horrible idea. I'll show the footage right now. Get a little thing.
Get your butt back there. Go. Go.
No way. What? So hot.
Oh, you're like, yeah, I'm gonna hold my ground right here. What are you eating?
You want to try it?
What is it?
1 chip challenge.
Woo! No, is it a ghost pepper?
Carolina Reaper.
Oh, you know. You won't be able to eat anything for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Or taste it at least. You can probably eat anything. You can't taste it.
He's like,
I have a new idea. Instead of you guys watching me do this full install, because some people don't like seeing this stuff. Some people have no interest in seeing how I wire things, how I do any of that stuff. Now, if I'm wrong, let me know in the comments, but I'm just gonna go ahead and get everything wired up out of the way, and I'm gonna go over exactly what I did, and then I'll show you. We have finished. Oh my God. All right, so this is 2 rock lights in each wheel well. 1 1 foot strip there, then 1 1 foot strip in the front, under the bumper, and there. What a difference you can tell between like cheap rock lights and ones like these. Also the Southern Retrofit lights look so good. Now these, the front, these are not put in place 100% just yet. I got them kind of temporarily sitting up there. Overall, we have 8 rock lights on here and then 2 1 foot strips. Super easy to install. Of course, it's just positive to a negative, and then just plug in the little splitters, and then the rock lights are everything's plug and play. It's super easy. The warranty on these is 25 years, no questions asked, and that's Infinite Off-Road. I'll put the link to them down in the description. I'll also have you guys a discount code. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. I'm actually about to be going out of town. You guys don't really know when, because I don't know when this video is going up, but I might be back by the time this goes live. Yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. I can do my best to help you guys. The link to all this stuff will be in the description down below. Yeah, if you guys like this video, please give it a like. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time.